Hare Krishna, welcome to my channel Spiritual Progress Together. Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 3, Text 5. Nahi kashchit kshanamapi jatu tishtati akarmakrit karyate hi avashah karma sarva prakriti jergunehi. Nahi kashchit kshanamapi jatu tishtati akarmakrit karyate hi avashah karma sarva prakriti jergunehi. न हि कश्चित् क्षणमपि जातु तिष्ठति अकर्मकृत् कार्यते हि अवशः कर्म सर्वप्रकृतिजैर्गुणैः. Translation. Everyone is forced to act helplessly according to the qualities he has acquired from the modes of material nature. Therefore, no one can refrain from doing something, not even for a moment. Purport. It is not a question of embodied life, but it is the nature of the soul to be always active. Without the presence of the spirit soul, the material body cannot move. The body is only a dead vehicle to be worked by the spirit soul, which is always active and cannot stop even for a moment. As such, the spirit soul has to be engaged in the good work of Krishna consciousness. Otherwise, it will be engaged in occupations dictated by illusory energy. In contact with material energy, the spirit soul acquires material modes. And to purify the soul from such affinities, it is necessary to engage in the prescribed duties enjoined in the Shastras. But if the soul is engaged in his natural function of Krishna consciousness, whatever he is able to do is good for him. The Srimad Bhagavatam 1.5.17 affirms this. त्यक्त्वा स्वधर्मं चरणाम्बुजं हरेर्भजन् अपाक्वोत पठेत् तदो यदि यत्र क्व वा भद्रम् अभूत् अमुष्य किं को वार्ध आप्तो भजतां स्वधर्मतः. If someone takes to Krishna consciousness, even though he may not follow the prescribed duties in the Shastras or execute the devotional service properly, and even though he may fall down from the standard, there is no loss or evil for him. But if he carries out all the injunctions for purification in the Shastras, what does it avail him if he is not Krishna conscious? So, the purificatory process is necessary for reaching this point of Krishna consciousness. Therefore, sannyasa or any purificatory process is to help reach the ultimate goal of becoming Krishna conscious, without which everything is considered a failure. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः. तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. If there are any mistakes while reading the sloka or the purport, please feel free to comment it down below. If you like my content, please do share it with your devotee friends. Chant Hare Krishna and be happy. Hari Bol.